Welcome back to another Airbnb Diaries video. I hope you're enjoying this series as much as I am. We are wrapping things up here pretty soon, but I wanted to share the process of the exterior all in one video just to kind of simplify things. I'll take you along as we go buy some plants, as we're installing mulch and doing some work to the flower beds. There wasn't like a huge amount of things to do, but still we wanted to simplify the outside, but also make it look super homey and appealing for guests and also just for our use as well. We're trying to keep things low maintenance. I am sad that the peonies and the irises are not blooming, all summer long, but that's kind of how it goes. There were some other wildflowers that owners previously had planted, so we did get to enjoy some of those, but thought I would take you along as we go shopping and just do some work on the exterior of the property. Subscribe if you're new. We're stopping at a place that Phyllis has been to. I think it's a Swartz and Trooper home, actually.
That is 84.
Okay.
Yeah.
Well, guck mal, I had all the baskets.
Wow.
Senna. Okay, so the prices now.
Man, blue just any kind of ornament. That mommy, the piano. You have what they call it in the next say, ja.
Oh, Sällenseffekt.
Und ich habe
Lynn, du vet så nyhetsleven ett ledig var.
Oj, så värst så chef är det nu.
yeah,
Wie viel hast du für die?
$30.
30. Cash, you go first, and then I'll put mine on right after yours.
We came up here to Yoder's greenhouse in, is it Apple Creek area? I think, or Fredericksburg. I brought my aunt and grandma and Oakland along. And we stopped at a Swartz and Trooper place that has, he makes maple syrup, I guess, and also baskets. And it's kind of a sad situation. My aunt has stopped there before, but Swartz and Trooper are one of the, the most plain groups of Amish, in other words. And anyway, this guy is, I think, a dwarf, but he said open spine, but I guess that would mean spina bifida. So anyway, we went in there and he has maple syrup at very good prices. And it's right along, I don't know what the road is. It goes up towards 250, not far from Yoder's greenhouse. So it's just right along the side of the road, and we just stopped and got some. And anyway, I'm here to look for some hydrangeas and maybe a couple other things for the house. Oakland, did you find him? Oh, wow. Look at that. They're being very helpful here, trying to give us a visual. The guy that works here, because I'm being very indecisive. Okay. White chilies. Blake never guns wie das, huh? Okay, and then you'd have another tree over at the other end. Smell, Willie. Can you sing?
Sing happy birthday to her. They said she wanted happy birthday.
Give me a dance.
There you go. You dance to me?
Oh, he's dancing.
He's dancing a little. Oh.
Hello.
Hello. Okay.
Oh!
We spent half the day here, it turns out, because of my indecisiveness. Okay, we're gonna eat some lunch at Wildfox Cafe in Kidron. Nick actually ate here yesterday with a friend. He wondered if I've ever been there. I was like, nope. Now we're up here in the area, so we're gonna go check it out. I need some strawberries. Oh wow. Nick was installing a little area to put the grill on today. We're going to be taking the big bush here out of the flower bed. It just seems to kind of take up the whole area. It's not blooming like most of the season. We're going to plant some hydrangea bushes, and also I have a couple arborvitae. Is that how you say it? I think. Put on the sides, and then there's also a little bit here that was here before. So planning to keep it fairly simple for now, and if we want to add something later, we can. So trying to make it look great for curb appeal, but also low maintenance. So I'm not sure how this Astilbe is going to do here, but we'll find out. I think he said it likes shade, and I think this would get mostly morning sun. I was going to put them on the other side of the house, but they're so pretty. Hopefully I didn't plant it too close to the house. Oh boy. There she goes. Oh, that's so much better. Oh, I think I'm just gonna divide some more of this grass and just make it a lot smaller. I like the grass, it's just, it's gonna overpower the arborvitae. I thought I could divide it and like put it over on the other side, but it's too much. Oh yeah. We are getting our exercise today. So Nick borrowed his dad's smaller dump truck, and we are mulching the flower beds. We are back at it this morning. We're getting the boys trained in.
Mom, we each got 3.
You each have 3?
Yeah. 1, 2,
3 golf balls.
And 1, 2, 3.
Okay.
And this. And the red one. Red one or pink one. Still really hot.
Just looks like we're going over the ground, but we're not. Oh, that is so hot.
This is as far as we've gotten. I would still like to add a porch swing to this side because it looks pretty empty. I did have 2 bigger pots that I wanted to put on either side of the door, but I haven't planted anything yet, and I may put those in the back, on the back deck yet. So this is just with fresh mulch, and it looks so nice.
Please just do this. I'm gonna practice.
I'm really happy with the choice of plants. I'm glad I got the hydrangeas and also the arborvitae. The grass was here, and this plant was as well. Then we kind of edged a new line around here. Nick did most of this, and we'll see if my Russian sage actually starts coming back. I kind of think it is. I had taken some out from another area, and looks like there might be some new growth there, although I'm not positive. And we've got our grill and the walkway looking a little better than it did. It's a little lopsided, but hopefully with time the others will grow up